Hello, so this is a demo of Cresco AI. So over 80% of African commerce happens on WhatsApp, Telegram, Instagram, mostly on the social media space. You know, most vendors aren't big enough to get shops and spaces of their own to handle their goods, to handle distribution of their goods. So what they mostly do is selling or distributing to social media, gaining contacts to social media, and a customer's phone or web. So I do not have my WhatsApp business to test now, but I will log in to test the other features of Cresco AI. So for now, the WhatsApp business feature is on hold because we are pending meta verification. I don't know if I should be showing this, but let me just show it. We are still pending meta verification. That's why the business part is on hold. That's why the particular business AI is on hold. So let me switch to Cresco AI first and log in my account so that I can show you guys a demonstration. So I can show you a demonstration of Cresco AI. Let me sign in. And yeah, so as you can see, signing is quick. It's just my network, and we have, of course, the help guide in the settings page to help users who just onboarded get familiar with the whole platform and everything. So we have a help guide and the main script. So yeah, this is a content generator, the content improver, marketing for messages for ads, promo, and campaign. So we are powered by the AI itself is powered by a few models which I will not list out. But I just want to say that it's the models are based on plan. So you understand the model that powers the free plan isn't the same model that powers pro, premium, enterprise, or starter. There is kind of a hierarchy. So we get you get a more powerful model based on your plan and more tokens and everything. That's how it works. So generate content. Let me see. I'll generate a caption, a script, hooks with hashtag. Let me say friendly tone and platform for TikTok. Let's just do medium. Yeah, let's do medium. My golden brand in Lagos is launching on the 22nd of August. Write a launch post for me. Yeah, I'm not really a content creator. I'm not really that big on the social media space, so I don't know how to word my content very well. I apologize. And regenerate. And it is giving us the content. It's it has given us the script, the caption, the hooks, and the hashtag. We can copy it. Then we go to translate. Of course, it can translate to different languages. Let's translate from English to Igbo, for example. I know the Igbos might understand this. So let's say this. We have examples to try to translate this to Igbo. Sorry, I'm not not Igbo. I don't really understand if it's correct, but I think an Igbo person would understand, would know if it's correct. Then we have content repurposing. You can for content repurposing, you can write your text, paste your article, a blog or a speech, any content, or you can paste your PDF or audio. You can paste an audio, already existing audio, or you can record a new audio. Let me record, for example. I want you to create content about my new fashion show, fashion runway show running on the 2nd of July 2026. We are going to be featuring prominent artists like Davido, Wizkid, Olamide, and Burna Boy, and there's going to be a lot of food and drinks. So I want a summary WhatsApp post, a LinkedIn post, some viral hooks, Instagram hashtag, and some key quotes. This, when it's done, it will give you the transcribed text. Davido. So yeah, and once you're done from here, you can send it to the content studio, see the key codes, the hooks, the LinkedIn post summary, and let's send to content studio, so it will automatically take the important, shall I say, the important details from the particular post or the particular thing you repurpose and take it to content studio, where you select the platform. Let's do for X and tone engaging. Yes. So we need viral hook, we need caption, we need hashtags, we don't need a Twitter thread, and we need an image prompt. Then you click generate the image. Then it will generate everything as a package. Here we have the viral hook, we have the caption, we have the viral hook, we have the caption, we have the hashtags, and we have the, it will also give you the prompt it used in generating the image, because the model powering the image generation is a different model. So the model powering the content studio is a different model. The model powering the content studio will then create a prompt and feed it to the image generation model, which will output the image for you. So we have the image and the prompt: photographic image of a busy fashion runway with models walking, colorful lights, and a live band performance in the background. So we have the image. You can download the image, of course. So you can download the image, of course. And yeah, we also have the dedicated image generation. So let's say Nigerian entrepreneur currently using, we want photorealistic. Okay, let's say we want digital art. I will give you the image size. It will tell you the model is using. It's using Flux Dev model, which is the model we use for image generation. As you can see, we have the image, and we can copy the image prompt. So I'll just use this input to check the image prompt. As you can see, this was the image prompt. We don't have, the image prompt was not so photorealistic. And you can save the image as usual. And yeah, so the WhatsApp feature is coming soon, and it's only accessible from pro plan and above, which means starter and free plans can't access the WhatsApp feature. We have to check access first before giving them. The WhatsApp feature is coming soon. We are still holding on for meta verification. The Telegram feature is already built. So you message the Telegram bot. It just works like the AI employee. So what the WhatsApp does is an AI is like an AI employee. So mine is enabled. What the WhatsApp does is like an AI employee where I'm sorry the video is getting a bit long, but just please bear with me. So it's like an AI employee where once connected to your WhatsApp, it mirrors the WhatsApp web architecture through the API. So once it's connected, messages received on WhatsApp, the AI will help you reply. Here you can set your business configuration for WhatsApp and you can set for Telegram. So you set your business name, set the tone the AI will use to reply, friendly or professional or formal. Then you set your business hours. So within your business hours, if someone texts you, we first of all have the orchestrator before getting to the main model. Every message and every reply passes through the orchestrator before getting to the main model. The orchestrator checks if it's within your business hour. The orchestrator checks if that message you got. For example, your friend texts you, hello, have fun now, good afternoon. The orchestrator checks if it's a personal message or a business message. So you set your keywords for so the orchestrator can know when you receive a business message to pass it to the AI. We don't want to reply your personal messages like your parents text or your family text with hello, this is Ray Sneakers Limited or Mama Nkechi's food. So no, so we have the orchestrator there to check if it's a personal message or a business message. Then you can set whether it uses emojis and allow price negotiation. So if you allow price negotiation, the AI actually negotiates prices for you. I trained it myself. So you can set your, let's say your price is, let's say, okay, I don't have any products. So you add your price and you add your minimum price. Let's say your price is 5,000 and your minimum price is 4,500. So it goes in deductions of percentage based on your minimum price. So from 5,000, if the customer is like, no, I can't get this at 5,000, AI will say we can do 4,900. We can do 4,800 and negotiate with the customer. But once it gets to the minimum price of 4,500, there is no more negotiation. It stops at the minimum price of 4,500. That is the minimum price it stops. For 4,500, AI is 10 that yes, this is the price we stop. And the WhatsApp is not connected here because, like I said, we need to get it connected through Meta, and Meta, we are still holding for Meta approval. So our business is in review for Meta approval. That's what is keeping us here to become a Meta partner. And yeah, you can set your delivery info, your refund policy, and your escalation message. If there's something the AI knows it can't handle, like a customer making a fuss or arguing about a product return, it sends the escalation message. You will not say, of course, you will not set it, let me connect to a human agent. You set it as you want. Then you add your payment details. When it's done negotiating, when you set your keywords, for example, it says, I want to buy, or the customer has agreed to a price and wants to make purchase, the AI will automatically send your bank name, your account number, and your account name. So you set your payment details that the AI uses. Then we use Cloud Vision to verify payment. For example, the customer has made a payment and he sends you the payment receipt. Cloud Vision will actually verify the image or the payment receipt and notice that yes, it will actually verify it and check it, run it through the database to see if this receipt matches real payment receipts. So if it's a fake receipt, to send the escalation message for you to check it yourself. Then if you notice that it's a real receipt, to start the order. And once it starts the order, yeah, once you start the order, you see the verified revenue. So here you can track revenue. It will check the total orders, so you know the orders that have been started. Orders by status. For now, there's no order yet, but if you start an order, you see your order there, pending or delivered or whatever. Then conversion rate is the rate of customers who chat to versus the rate of customers who buy. And verified revenue according to the orders you've sold and top products. So actually handle the analytics for your business. And this is the analysis page. So, and this is the analysis page. So we've built this natively for the African markets. Integrated local payments gateways like Paystack and Flutterwave for international payments. So as you can see here from the billing page, you can pay in either Naira or US dollars. So Flutterwave for international payments and Paystack for local payments. And I think that's all I have to say. I don't know if the demo is enough, but thank you for listening and watching through the video. Thank you. My loading speed is quite good, I must say.